Want this effect? Today I will show you how to create it. Add video to timeline and switch to Fusion. Connect following nodes in order: brightness, contrast, custom tool, blur. To custom tool node, connect background, transform and crop in sequence. In the brightness contrast node, reduce the saturation parameter to 0. Go to the background node, set type to gradient and choose radial. In the image tab, disable auto resolution and adjust the width parameter. Return to the color tab, move the gradient to the center and adjust the direction. Open transform node and set edges to wrap. Reduce size parameter and set the rotation using the angle parameter. Go to the crop node and enable keep centered. In the custom tool node, under the channel tab, enter formula and pass it into each channel. Return to the transform node and fine-tune the size parameter. In the blur node, set blur size to 0.5. Finally, adjust the effect in the brightness contrast node. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.